Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin HRM Dual to your iPhone. First, make sure your HRM Dual has a fresh battery. This ensures reliable operation. Next, put on the heart rate monitor, ensuring it sits snugly against your skin on your chest. Finally, keep your iPhone close to the HRM Dual, ideally within about 3 feet, to establish a strong initial connection. Now, let's get your iPhone ready. Begin by opening the Settings application on your iPhone. Once inside Settings, locate and tap on the Bluetooth option. If Bluetooth is not already active, simply toggle the switch to the on position. This step is crucial as it allows your iPhone to discover and connect with external devices like your HRM Dual. With Bluetooth enabled, your iPhone will start searching for nearby devices. Look under the Other Devices section for an entry like HRM Dual or a similar identifier. Once you see it, tap on the device name to begin the pairing process. Your iPhone might display a pairing request. Simply confirm it to complete the connection. This usually takes just a few seconds. Finally, let's connect your HRM Dual to your favorite fitness application. Open your chosen fitness or training app on your iPhone. Within the app, find the Settings menu, often labeled Sensors, Devices, or Connections. From the list of available sensors, select your Garmin HRM Dual. It should now be ready to transmit your heart rate data, enhancing your workout experience with accurate metrics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.